Hello and welcome. So the official stable release of Windows 11 was published today, and so we are going to set up Java for Java development for Android and any other Java developments on a Windows 11 machine. This is part of a series of videos I'll be recording on how to set up your development environments on a Windows 11 machine. So for now, let's just walk through how to install Java on a Windows 11 machine. So open your favorite web browser. In this case, I'm going to use Chrome, and navigate to this URL, oracle.com/java/technologies, blah blah blah. I'll leave the link in the description below. So once you're on this page, by default, when you scroll down a bit, by default it's going to be on the Linux tab. Just switch to the Windows tab, and since Windows 11 comes with only a 64-bit architecture, you have no other choice than to download the 64-bit architecture. So download any of the installers, either the MSI or the installer. If you want, you can go through with the archived version, but then you would have to do some reading on your own to figure things out. So to save you some trouble, I think you should just download the installer. So click on the installer and download. I've already downloaded this, so I'll open to the location and then double click to run the program, then select yes. Okay, so once the installation wizard starts, you are just going to follow through the prompt and it's going to do its magic. So Java SE Development Kit 17, which is the current version, is installed on the machine now. So I can hit close. Then navigate to program files, Java, JDK, and bin. Now copy the path of the bin and then come to start and type edit and then select edit system environment variables and click on environment variables. Create a new environment variable and name it Java _ home, all in caps, and then paste in the copied path in the value and hit OK. Now you can hit OK, and then since Windows 11 comes with the Windows terminal, right click on anywhere on your screen and hit open in Windows terminal, which is going to open this nice terminal for you. So if you have done everything correct, when you type java -- version, you should get the Java version you've installed. If you didn't get it right, I suggest you rewind the video and look at how things are done. Okay, so that's how to install Java on Windows 11 machine, which is really simple. So we installed the JDK. Now let's go through the installation for JRE, which is the runtime environment. So the JDK is the Java Development Kit and the JRE is the Java runtime environment. Okay, so now we are done with JDK. To install the JRE, navigate to java.com/en/downloads, or just java.com and look for JRE. I'll leave the link in the description below as well. So once you are here, you hit on, you see it's the release date is 20th July 2021, and it's about 81.08 megabytes. So just hit on agree and start download. This will start the download process, but I've already downloaded it, so you can download it. I'm going to cancel because I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to open to the JRE. Then we run the JRE. Now we get this install wizard window. Now I really suggest you don't change the destination folder. It may have its own adverse effects. I'm not quite sure of that though, but just leave it as it is and then hit install. Then wait for it to finish the installing. Okay, so now JRE is also installed. Now let's add it to our environment variables. So you go to local drive C, program files, Java. This time around you realize that you have some JRE folder, JRE bin, and copy the path, the bin. Then type edit and select edit system variables, environment variables. Now you are going to add it to your path. So click on select path and hit edit and add new and paste it in and hit OK. I also like to add it to my system variables. However, it's not really required that you do both. And now hit OK. Then I can close these windows. If I open a new terminal, Java -- version, I still get the Java version installed nicely. Now JRE is the runtime environment, so most of the time you'll not be using it on a command line. So that is how to set up Java on a Windows 11 machine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Thank you and see you next time.